Breaking glass, busting ass, first place, never last. Team compensate.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you right there? Yeah, you. How you doing? It's been a while, man. I miss you. I know. I've been in hiding, just a little. It's been about a month. The reason why I've been in hiding, I mean, I haven't really done nothing to SnowWite, and then on top of that, I've been focusing. You get past shit. Hold on. There we go. My bad. I really didn't anticipate on recording in the house, but it's a little cold outside, so I mean, I'm not going outside. But like I said, I got a new project, and I'm gonna actually wait till the turn of the new year to actually start showing that project off more and more. I haven't done anything to it. Honestly, I haven't. If y'all have watched my videos, if y'all follow me on like Facebook, TikTok, things like that, then y'all have seen snippets of this little project. It's a 94. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all. 1994. That's it. But so if y'all haven't already, y'all made it this far, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell too, so every time I drop a video, y'all will know. The reason why I got y'all here today. So everybody knows about bass knobs. Everybody. I mean, even if you have like a power acoustics amp or a SSL amp, even a fucking ginseng amp, most of them come with bass knobs, whether it's the phone jack, whether it's the 3.5 millimeter audio jack, or whether it's the RC jack. Now, in my setup, I have the RC jack, as you see. This is the Pack LC1. It does its job. The only thing I did not like about this, and I switched my system up so I could bypass that, but before, I would get about right there, and then my bass will cut on. It would come in low, it would get a little heavy, and then by the time I got here, it was on full. So I still had like all of that on the table. And then shit, starting off right about there, I still got all of that. So I rewired all my things, figured out what was wrong, and I was able to start off from 0 all the way to 100 properly. Now, that's out the question. Y'all know this bass now, VoodooPrintz. Yeah, y'all see it, 2611. And got his little logo right there, Voodoo. But yeah, this is a can style bass knob, just like that. Once again, RCA jacks. But now, see, the problem I had with this one, I got this maybe about a year ago, and the leads on it came apart. Matter of fact, where is it at? Hold on, I can't find it now. I was trying to find the damaged leads, but I messaged Chris Quick, the owner, CEO, the boss of VoodooPrintz, and I sent him pictures of the images of the leads and all of that, and he was like, well, you could try to solder it. He was like, but it might not work. He was like, but on another note, I'm gonna send you out new leads and all of that. All right, cool, no problem, thank you. I attempted to solder it, did not work. I don't know what else to say. It didn't work. So got the Pack 1, the LC1, rocked with that. And this is, I'm not calling Chris out, nothing like that. He's a businessman. I wasn't pressing about it, but I'm happy he did get it to me before the show. Thank you, Chris. I love you, bro. But it's about 2 months down the road, 2-3 months down the road, I got a message from him in the group that I'm in for team compensation. He was like, I'm sending them out to you. Sending them out to him. I completely forgot about the bass knob. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of threw that in the box to the side with the rest of the audio stuff and just said, all right, cool, out of sight, out of mind. I got a tracking number from him. I was like, cool. I was like, all right, I'm getting just my bass knob, like just leads for the bass knob. Cool, I like it. I get the package. I got the leads. But on top of that, he sent me this too. He sent me a speaker bass knob. Speaker. Of course, RCA jacks. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I do like these little things right here. Now I know why he did it that way, because it has those on it. But these things right here, I'm not gonna lie, I don't have interference no more really. When I had these regular ones on there, well, I had all kind of interference. Not really interference, but I could hear them when they like rub together or something. These right here, no interference whatsoever on both sets. And honestly, this is the one I run in the car. I use this one most of all. I'm sorry, somebody called me. Oh, I wasn't recording. Sorry, somebody called me and I had to stop the video. But anyway, I said, VoodooPrintz base knobs. Chris quick. I'm gonna leave this right here for a second so y'all can get that at Etsy. VoodooPrintz, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Etsy. When I tell y'all customer service is, you message him, it takes him all of a max of 3 hours to reply back. Honestly, even if he's working or doing something and he hears his phone next to him, boom, just like that, you'll get a message right back. He's just like that. And honestly, these things, they're 3D printed. 3D printed. The quality is good. The fit, the weight is not bad at all. I could put this on my cup holder. It will sit just like that in my cup holder. Same thing with the speaker. It will sit in my cup holder. Boom, bada boom. I do kind of wish the speaker itself, like somehow this part moved, like in and out or something, like a speaker, or like the cone would move or something. Dog, just look at the detail this man did. There's no tinsel leads in there. I wish there was, but no, there ain't no tinsel leads. This is dope though. Like you can get a scar, you can get sundown. He has one on there right now. I think it's like a skull or something. It has a voltmeter in the middle, in the back of its head or something. 3D printed, man. Any idea that you have, any image, you can go cuckoo bananas and tell this man what you want. He will put it up in there. I guarantee it. But I don't really know what else to say. That's Voodoo base knobs. Like, they work. But we got Ruckus and Chill actually next week. Like literally a week away, next Saturday. And I'm kind of ready. I'm not kind of ready. I'm excited. No, boy, I'm excited. I'm excited. I've been needing me some true bass in my life. Y'all got SnowWite. SnowWite is good. But I like hopping in somebody's build and I'm like, whoa, shit. Or like my hair's like, right, that's why I like my hair right now. I can just get this shit moving. But well, that's all I keep saying. But
If you park over there, you might have to Here comes the top out. I mean, by that time they hit your elbows.
Glad I was down.